How to auto-tag photos without a track log. Missing GPS info is a common problem of camera with built-in GPS. The Tracklog Creator plugin makes that you can run the auto-tag feature of Lightroom to fix this problem. Last year my daughter, an architectural history student, went for an excursion to France to visit several historical buildings. Because location info is important for her, she used a camera with built-in GPS. Jumping from the bus, she started taking photos. Also, she photographed inside several churches. After she returned home and imported her photos into Lightroom, she discovered and was disappointed that several photos had no GPS info. This little event illustrates a common problem of owners of a camera with built-in GPS. After importing the photos, they discover that several photos have no GPS info, and they have no track log to fix this automatically. This normally happens when you start shooting before the GPS has a fix, or when entering a building, and the GPS loses its fix. Since you do not have a track log, you can't use Lightroom's auto-tag feature to automatically geotag these photos. You can fix this by copying and pasting the GPS info of other photos, but this is a lot of work, and far from ideal. What if you could create a GPS track log of all photos with GPS info? Then you could use this track log to auto-tag those without. This would save a lot of manual work. The Tracklog Creator plugin does just that. It creates a GPS track log file from all photos with GPS info. In this tutorial you will learn how to auto-tag images without GPS info based on other photos that do have this info. To accomplish this, we use the Tracklog Creator plugin from Lightroom Statistics. See the link below. How to create a track log from all photos in this folder. For this we first select the photos we want to create a track log of. Next we start the plugin by choosing Menu, Help, Plugin Extras, Export GPS Track Log. This is all there is to the plugin. In the rest of this tutorial, we demonstrate how to use Lightroom's auto-tag feature to geotag all photos without GPS info. Once the track log is created, it is technically very simple to auto-tag all photos. However, to get the best results you should examine if the photos without GPS info were taken near the location of photos that have this info. First, we will load the track log in the Map module. Go to the Map module. Load the GPS track log you created before. Now go to the Library module. A tip to help you analyze your photos. First, sort all photos on capture time so that they have the order in which they were taken. The sort option is located on the toolbar, Menu, View, Show Toolbar. In analyzing your photos, it helps to see distinction between photos with and without GPS info. We can achieve this by setting the color label for all photos without GPS info. Choose Metadata from the filter bar. If the filter bar is not visible, then choose View, Show Filter Bar. In the first column choose GPS Data. Click on the No Coordinates below to filter for all images without GPS info. Select all images. Right-click and choose Set Color Label and choose a color. Now all images without GPS info are marked. Now click on All GPS in the filter to get all images. Now we will examine if the photos without GPS info were taken approximately at the same location as those that have. The first photo was taken half an hour before the first photo with GPS at a different location. So we will not auto-tag this photo. The next photos were taken at the same location as the first photo with GPS info. So these can be auto-tagged. Then she entered the building, and all photos taken there have no GPS info. After leaving the building, the GPS gets a fix again, and the next photos have the GPS info. It may be clear that all photos taken inside the church have a location between the photos she took outside before she entered in and after she left the building. This info we could use. Select all images without GPS info that were taken near those with GPS info. Depending on situation, this could be all photos, or only some. In our situation we will select all photos except the first. This one was taken at a different location. To auto-tag these images, go to the Map module. Choose Auto-tag selected photos. Upon desire, you select the next bunch of photos to auto-tag. All photos now have GPS info, except the first one. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope this was helpful. Check us out at lightroomstatistics.com. You can buy this plugin at thephotographers toolbox.com.